Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic portable laundry solutions. Today, we will explore the Apto VPVP portable clothes dryer and the FADSK portable washing machine. Both products are designed for convenience in small spaces, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the right fit for you. The Apto VPVP portable clothes dryer specializes in drying clothes quickly and efficiently, featuring 2 drying modes and a built-in blue light for cleaning. In contrast, the FADSK portable washing machine is designed for washing clothes, offering 3 cleaning cycles and a spin-dry function. While both are portable, they cater to different stages of the laundry process. When it comes to capacity, the FADSK portable washing machine has a significant advantage with its 13L capacity, allowing for larger loads of laundry. On the other hand, the Apto VPVP portable clothes dryer has a more limited capacity, making it less suitable for drying multiple items at once. This difference can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially in small living spaces. Both products are designed with portability in mind, making them ideal for small apartments, RVs, and dorms. The Apto VPVP dryer is lightweight and easy to set up, while the FADSK washing machine is foldable and compact, allowing for convenient storage. Their designs cater to users who need efficient laundry solutions without sacrificing space. In conclusion, both the Apto VPVP portable clothes dryer and the FADSK portable washing machine offer unique benefits for those living in small spaces. Your choice will depend on whether you need a dryer or a washing machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.